What if I told you that right now, in the United States, you could buy an entire house for less than what many people spend on a vacation? It sounds unrealistic, but the truth is, deals like these exist, and most people never even see them. In today's video, we're counting down 5 incredibly affordable properties that are currently on the market. These are not just cheap listings, they are hidden opportunities. Some offer massive square footage, others sit on oversized lots, and a few even come with serious development potential. Whether you're an investor looking for your next project or someone curious about entering the real estate market at the lowest possible cost, this list will completely shift your perspective. But here's the catch. The number one property is priced so low and offers so much potential that it almost doesn't make sense. Stay until the end, because that deal changes everything. Property number 5. Opening the list with a property that immediately challenges expectations when it comes to size versus price. Located at 908 E. Titus Street in Mexia, Texas, this single-family residence is estimated at $57,500 and delivers an impressive 2,040 square feet of interior living space. Built in 1918, the home follows a charming cottage-style design and includes 3 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms, making it one of the largest homes in this entire lineup. Positioned on an 8,624.88 square feet interior lot within the Cowles Sunrise Ave subdivision, the property offers a balanced mix of indoor and outdoor usability. The backyard is fenced, creating privacy and functionality, while a covered patio enhances the outdoor experience. At the front, a covered porch adds character and a welcoming feel. Parking is available via an attached carport with space for 1 vehicle. In addition, a nice-sized outbuilding is included, offering flexibility for storage, a workshop, or future adaptation depending on the buyer's needs. Inside, the home is equipped with central heating and central air conditioning, both powered by electric systems. Flooring throughout the home consists of carpet and vinyl, and the interior layout includes a primary bedroom and a living room on the first level. The kitchen comes fully equipped with essential appliances, including a dishwasher, electric range, microwave, and refrigerator. Laundry is located in a dedicated utility room with washer hookup and electric dryer hookup. There is no basement and no fireplace in the home. Structurally, it features a frame build supported by a pillar/post/pier foundation and topped with a composition roof. Utilities include public sewer and water availability, along with sewer and water connections already in place. This is a Fannie Mae property, and the first look period for owner-occupants expires on May 17, 2026. The listing has already generated strong attention, with hundreds of views and dozens of saves in just a few days. Overall, this home stands out for offering significant space, functional features, and clear potential at a relatively low price point. Property number 4. Introducing a property that prioritizes location, accessibility, and a simplified lifestyle within a major metropolitan area. Located at 5625 Antoine Drive, apartment 1203 in Houston, Texas, this townhouse is priced at $49,950 and is part of the Oakwood Gardens condo subdivision, which spans approximately 9.15 acres. Constructed in 1972, the unit offers 2 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms, with a total interior living space of 1,025 square feet. The layout is designed for functionality, featuring clearly defined living and dining areas that support comfortable daily use. All bedrooms are located on a single level, and the property includes a dedicated utility room, enhancing practicality. The kitchen is fully equipped with appliances, including an electric oven, microwave, electric range, refrigerator, dishwasher, and an in-unit washer and dryer setup. Laundry connections include an electric dryer hookup located inside the unit. Heating is electric, and cooling is supported by both electric systems and ceiling fans, ensuring consistent airflow. Parking is available through secured unassigned spaces, with additional parking options for guests. The property is situated within a gated community, offering a controlled environment and reduced maintenance responsibilities, making it attractive for both homeowners and investors. Its location provides convenient access to Highway 290 and Loop 610, along with nearby shopping and dining options. Construction includes wood siding, a slab foundation, and a composition roof, reflecting a traditional architectural style. The HOA fee is $465 per month, covering community maintenance and shared services. With no new construction status and a stable structure, this property represents a practical, low-maintenance investment in a high-demand city.
Now shifting focus to a property where land size and flexibility become the key advantages. Located at 7004 Golder Avenue in Odessa, Texas, this single-family residence is priced at $45,000 and was built in 1958. It includes 2 bedrooms and 1 full bathroom, with a total interior living area of 820 square feet. What immediately stands out is the lot size, 10,010.09 square feet, providing significant outdoor space for expansion, landscaping, or additional development possibilities. The home is a single-story structure with 1 level, offering a straightforward and practical layout. Natural light flows through the interior, enhancing the usability of the living spaces. Inside, the property features central heating and central air conditioning, ensuring year-round comfort. Additional features include ceiling fans, a formal living area, and vinyl flooring throughout. The kitchen is equipped with a gas range and an electric water heater, while laundry is conveniently located in a dedicated laundry closet. Parking is provided through an attached garage with 1 space, and the property also includes partial fencing. The lot features a cul-de-sac location and landscaped elements, contributing to a quieter and more structured residential environment. Construction materials include wood siding, supported by a pillar post-pier foundation and covered with a composition roof. Utilities include public sewer and water connections, and the property does not have an HOA. While some updates and repairs may be required, this presents a clear opportunity for buyers to enhance the property and increase its value over time. This home combines affordability with long-term flexibility, making it a strategic option for investment or personal use. Property number 2. This next property represents a classic example of low-cost entry with strong renovation potential. Located at 1904 Williams Street in Lufkin, Texas, this single-family residence is priced at $37,000. Built in 1948, the home offers 2 bedrooms and 1 full bathroom, with a total interior living area of 790 square feet. It sits on a 6,969.6 square feet lot within the North Lufkin subdivision and includes an additional storage shed built with blocks, adding practical utility. The property is categorized as a fixer-upper, making it ideal for investors or buyers seeking a project. It offers a blank canvas for customization and value addition. Inside, the home features a living room, ceiling fans, and carpet flooring. Cooling is provided through window units, while there is currently no heating system installed. The kitchen does not include appliances, allowing buyers to purchase and design the space according to their preferences. There is no garage or carport, but the property includes a covered patio area for outdoor use. Utilities include public water and sewer systems, with electricity provided by Encore. There is no gas connection. The structure includes wood siding, a block foundation, and a composition roof, consistent with traditional architectural design. Additional features include 1-story, no pool, no fencing, and no waterfront elements. While the home requires updates and care, its low price point combined with renovation potential creates a strong opportunity for value growth.
Property number 1. Finally, the most unexpected and potentially valuable property on this list. Located at 1712 Monroe Street in Wichita Falls, Texas, this single-family residence is priced at just $31,999, making it the lowest-priced property in this lineup. Built in 1940, the home includes 2 bedrooms and 1 full bathroom, with a total interior living area of 730 square feet. The total structure area also measures 730 square feet, and the property sits on a 7,405.2 square feet lot within the Floral Heights subdivision. At its core, this property is defined as an investor special, but the real opportunity lies in its unique layout and history. The existing structure was originally built at the back of the lot, intended to function as a mother-in-law apartment.
However, the main house that was planned for the property was never constructed. This creates a rare development scenario. The current home occupies only a portion of the land, leaving significant space available for building an additional structure. In practical terms, this means a buyer could potentially construct a second home on the same lot, dramatically increasing the property's overall value and usability. The home includes an attached one-car garage with one designated parking space. Inside, the layout features a living room and a breakfast area, providing a simple but functional design. The property is priced well below its tax value, making it even more attractive from an investment perspective. With no HOA restrictions and a flexible lot configuration, the potential strategies are numerous: renovation, rental income, or future development. The parcel number for this property is 148805, and it is officially classified as a single-family residence. Opportunities like this, where low cost meets development potential, are extremely rare in today's market.
These properties prove that affordable real estate opportunities still exist, but only for those who know where to find them. Each listing offers a unique advantage, whether it's size, location, renovation potential, or development flexibility. If any of these properties stood out to you, now is the time to take a closer look and explore their full potential. For further details on any of these homes, the links are available in the description below, where you can review complete listings and additional information. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, stay updated with future opportunities, and continue discovering real estate deals that most people never even notice.